All right, Jared. So actually, I have both the sites up. So as soon as you sign in, you're going to see the dashboard. So it's going to look like this. Um, Depending on if you want to make a post or a page, there's two ways to do it. Up here at the top, you can click a new post or a new page. Um, Either one of those will take you to the post or page. It's the same thing on both your sites. So there's also over here, there's posts, and then you can look at all the posts, add new categories, etc. Pages over on the left too. All pages are add new. Um, let's just go ahead and show you what adding two new pages looks like. Um, so it's really similar to Word for the most part. So if you'll notice that they're slightly different, they might show up a little bit different on yours. So all you'd have to do to get the full toolbar in here is just click, nope, not more. Make sure that you're on the visual tab over here. And then there's it used to be called a kitchen sink button. Oh, there it is. So this will bring up the lower toolbar toggle. Um, and I mean, really, you just kind of type whatever you want in here. There's pretty standard formatting. I I'm sure just because of how WordPress is, I'm sure that we could add um, a more sophisticated formatting tool or something like that. Um, but I mean that's pretty much it, man. If you want to add something to it, you can either upload a file there or select any of the media that's already on your sites. And insert in a post once you select it. And click on it and insert in a post. And then here, once you click on this, click on the image. If I can get it to stay. Well, I don't know why I can't grab that. But it's essentially the same thing as up here. Align it however you want. Um, just it's it's very much like Word. So, I think that's pretty much it. There is templates and stuff. So, depending, like, I think if I remember right, these two, they don't want to do that. These two sites were just split in half a long time ago. Yeah, so they have the same kind of templates to them. The request a quote only, pricing only, no sidebars, and no pricing. The blank template is a WordPress default, which here, I'll just take a look, which I believe doesn't have anything in it. I think not even like a header or footer or anything. And then once you're done with it, you just push update to update the page or publish. Yeah, so the blank template literally removes everything. Um, let's see. Yep. And then the only other thing that I really have to show you is if you want to change what date the page was published or updated on, you can click Edit, change the time, click OK, and then Update. Visibility, if you want to make it password protected or private, you'd select either of those. Password protected, you could just add a password. Private is just you'd have to have the direct link to view it. So that's if you don't want it to be discoverable um, by a search engine. And that's pretty much all there is to it, man. Um, you can use the form builder. Um, I used a different form builder in call center recovery. Um, but yeah, that's really all I can think of. Let me know if you have any other questions.